Hey everyone, it's Shannon. We're out here at Carmel Valley Ranch, our newest coming soon listing. We're really excited about all the work that's happening inside. There's a new deck being rebuilt, refurbished, new paint going in, new carpet. So we're excited that we're overseeing this project and can't wait to share a little more with you. So we'll take you inside, and then in about a week, 2 weeks, it's going to be live on the MLS. Stay tuned.
Good morning. We're here at 9582 Redwood Court. Our newest listing coming up. It's in Carmel Valley Ranch. We are basically your project managers. We've got a deck that we're completely redoing in the back. We've got carpets coming in tomorrow. We've already had the auction company come in and take a whole bunch of stuff. We marked some stuff that we're going to use for staging. But right now we're in the middle of everything. We've got a handyman upstairs, contractors out front, our stagers coming in a few minutes, and in about a week's time, you're going to see a whole new place.